This is an automatic drawing. This is what I'm getting. I believe that this is a bird. This whole thing represents a bird's eye, but it also represents a bird's beak. And this part of the drawing represents a feather. And so, yeah.